Hey there, money movers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech and finance hacks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from PayPal to Cash App in 2025. With the ever-evolving digital payment landscape, this process has gotten smoother, but it's still important to do it right to avoid any fees or hiccups. Whether you're a freelancer cashing out earnings or just splitting bills with friends, this guide will have you transferring funds in no time. First things first, make sure you have both your PayPal and Cash App accounts set up and verified. This is crucial for security and to ensure everything goes smoothly. Start by logging into your PayPal account on your phone or computer. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet or balance section and select the option to withdraw or transfer funds. Here's a key tip. In 2025, PayPal might offer more direct integration options, but for now, the standard method is to link your bank account. Step 2. Choose to transfer the amount you want from PayPal directly to your linked bank account. Enter the amount, double-check for any transfer fees, typically around 1 to 2%, and confirm the transaction. This usually takes 1 to 3 business days, so plan ahead. Once the money hits your bank, log into your Cash App. Go to the Banking tab and select Add Cash or Deposit Money. You'll need to link the same bank account you used for PayPal. Now, for Step 3. Transfer the funds from your bank to Cash App. Enter the amount and confirm. Cash App is super user-friendly, so this should only take a few taps. If you're in a rush, some banks offer instant transfers for a small fee. Remember, always use secure networks to protect your info. 2025 brings better encryption, but cyber threats are still out there. Finally, once the money is in your Cash App, you're good to go. You can use it for payments, investments, or whatever you need. That's the whole process. Simple, right? If you follow these steps, you'll avoid common pitfalls like insufficient funds or verification delays. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you next time.